What's going on, YouTube? Back with a whole nother video. I got a little bit of free time, so I'm gonna be doing some evening aura farming, as the youngsters call it. As you can see, we got the stars. Oh my goodness, look like I'm in a ballroom. Yeah, we got the stars out tonight. I'm gonna put on some Don Toliver, and we're gonna get straight to it. We do sport mode only in this. Sport or track, unless the wife is driving. See if I can get some wine clips for y'all too. I gotta roll the window down for that, but. Alright, y'all ready? Oh my God. Traffic. I'm not gonna lie though, like, I'm looking at the camera and these lights make me look crazy. Like, these lights make me look like I'm rich, like I got it together. So bro. Go, bro. Damn. I know y'all heard that whine though. That whine crazy, ain't it? Another thing that I forgot to mention, we coming up on 1 year of Challenger ownership. As a matter of fact, I think it'll be like sometime next week. It's gonna mark 1 year of me having the Hellcat. I'm definitely gonna make a 1 year review video for that too. So make sure y'all lock in for that, because there are some things, good and bad, that I gotta speak about on this Hellcat. But for the most part, it's mostly good. If it wasn't mostly good, I wouldn't have the car. Damn. It's a Cam Camaro. That joint is tough. That joint is tough. Yo! He's scared. I'm trying to give him his props and shit. He acting all scary. Bro, I'm not trying to race you, bro. Everybody think I'll be trying to race in the cat, bro. I'll literally be chilling, and now he want to get behind me, bro. Like, come on, man. There you go. Yeah. That car sounds amazing. It looks good too. It looks good as fuck. That car was loud as hell. It made my whine sound quiet now. I'm pissed. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm a little mad because my whine sound quiet as fuck now, but we're gonna keep it pushing. His car sounded crazy though, like, sheesh. That joint was loud. All right, let's see what I can give y'all. Bro, I really hope y'all heard them damn pops. And it's crazy too, cause like with the Hellcat, if you got the muffler delete, or if you got any type of aftermarket exhaust, you can make it pop almost on demand. It's crazy. Without no type of tune. Man, that whine is crazy, bro. So this is low key. This is actually my favorite spot to take videos at for my car. Let me show y'all the keys. This is the Keezy right now. Tough. So as y'all know, late last year I got that new wheel package. It's a little dirty. Hey, shout out American Muscle, because everything that I got on this car right now came from them. Everything. It's the idle. What we thinking, chat? I be looking, chat. I be looking in the back. I come over here all the time. Police don't mess with me because they know I'm not over here doing nothing crazy. I know it's kind of weird to hang out at a bank, and I promise you this ain't one of those manifestation tactics or nothing like that, but I just like the way it looks parked there. Let me show you. I like the way it looks. I mean, like, just tough. I get a lot of TikTok and Instagram photos right here too, but honestly I think I should find another one. I think I need to find another spot because I seen somebody else using this spot the other day. Kind of upset me. But let me know what y'all think in the comments about this, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Like, this content creation stuff, it's not easy. It is not easy. A lot of people think you just pick up a camera and go, and that's not what it is. Like, sometimes I just use my car to kind of get in that mode, right? Like, I'll chill in my car and just go through a lot of my content with no distractions. I'll just be chilling here. No distractions, nobody to take me out of my element. Like, I'm literally right here just chilling. Going through. I'm not gonna lie, I took some fire ass photos and videos today though. It's my boy. Look, I'm gonna show y'all my boy Jesse Scat. This is Scat right here. Y'all can see it. Ooh, that's tough, ain't it? Sheesh, that be hard. That boy hard. I'm excited, man. Like, for me, it's the journey. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, it's the journey for me. Like, I've fallen way more times than I've been pushed up. And like, I've fallen so many times when it comes to this content. I've fallen so many times when it came to this content creation stuff that as many times as I got back up, if I gave up now, all them times that I struggled to pick myself back up would be for nothing. It would be for nothing. And like, it's crazy too, because I remember when I first got my Hellcat, the second day I had it, I drove right up here to this bank to take photos, to take pictures. And I promised myself that I was going to stay consistent with the content creation. And I didn't. So, big shame on me. But, like, being back over here in this spot just reminded me of the promise that I made. I'm done making excuses to not put content out. I'm done making excuses. So tomorrow, shit, I might even wake up early as hell tomorrow and do like a Lakeshore Drive cruise or something like that. I don't know. I just might do that. I'm not gonna take up too much of y'all time. If y'all enjoyed the video, hey, if you enjoying the lights, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and comment. Hopefully I'll see y'all in the next video. If not, I'm probably gonna find you and choke you out. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about the cat. Let me know what y'all thought about that damn Camaro that I saw earlier that was going crazy with them burbles and them pops and all of that. Let me know what y'all think about any and everything. Let me know what y'all think about me. Alright. So, until the next video, I'll see you.